Alright guys, today we're doing some creek fishing here with Mark, Ethan, John, and Skippy McGee over here, Austin, right there, this dude. And we're going to be going for largemouth, smallmouth, and spotted bass. What kind of lures are we going to be using?
Today we're going to be using mainly rooster tails and also some grubs, because a lot of these ones like to hit smaller lures.
Yep. Hopefully, I heard there's trout in here. I've seen a couple of them. Hopefully we can catch some. You ready, boys? Let's get them.
I put in work. Y'all want a dream? I got the ethic that works. No one can get it like me. I be in the booth, losing some sleep. I got the ethic that works. No one can get it like me. Yeah.
Wait for him to get hooked. There he is. It's a spot. It's a good spotted bass. That's a pretty good one.
That's a pretty good one.
Wow. Yeah, this is a really pretty fish. Ah, that's not good. Oh, I spit my gum out. You know what? I think it's a largemouth. It doesn't have a, I know, but spotted bass have a rough tongue.
Yeah.
Like their teeth. But I think this is a largemouth. That's a pretty creek largemouth though. There he goes. Ooh, dude, they keep swiping at this thing, but I can't hook them. I can see him over there.
Over where, past that, or?
Yeah, oh, there we go. There's one. Ooh, it's a smallmouth. John, I caught a smallmouth. Come here. This thing is beautiful. You ever caught a smallmouth, Ethan? It's a little dude. That's pretty sweet though. All right, get him back in the water. Oh, there he goes. There he is. God. Oh, new species of the day, creek chub. Look at this little dude. Can't even lip these guys. They're so wriggly. Look at that creek chub. Looks like a little trout. There he goes. I feel like I should use a jig in here. There we go. Little smallmouth. Oh my God, that's the biggest creek chub I've seen in my entire life. Oh my gosh. Dude, like, I'm not kidding. This thing is like a trout.
Oh my God, it has some here.
Just got smoked. Hey, hold this, palm this for me real quick. I'll take out my camera. Just hold it. All right, guys. John, Austin, and Mark are down that way in the creek. And I'm here with Ethan right now. I just caught a monster creek chub. This thing is actually huge. It's like
they're hitting him on
it's like the size of a trout. But there's no way to get him in, so focus.
Oh my God, got it.
Got smoked?
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
All right, here he goes. Oh!
Dude,
I'm back. There's one.
Oh
Ooh, largemouth or a spotted bass? I have to tell. I think it's a largemouth. Yeah. Oh man, he's a squirmy little dude. Yep, he's a largemouth. All right, nice little largemouth going back in the creek. He's gonna have to make a big drop. Oh, he almost hit the log. All right, guys, well, off camera, I just caught another enormous creek chub. This thing is like the size of a trout. Like, this thing's huge. And there's fat too. I've already caught 2 of them. Here he goes. Oh! There we go. Creek chub, dude. A giant one. God, where are these creek chubs coming from, man? I need to catch some bass. Caught enough creek chubs today. Man, these things have really soft mouths. They do not like to be hooked. There's another creek chub, guys. Back he goes. Oh, I just had a bass hit it. I saw him. Oh, there he is. Oh, I think this is a rock bass. I mean, a spotted. Ah, no, come here, buddy. Do not go in that water. Yeah, this is a little spot. All right, guys, just caught a nice little spotted bass. Gonna put him back. There he goes. Sweet. All right, guys, me and Austin just got back. Mark, John, and Ethan already left. They left a couple minutes before we did. But I caught like 3 or 4 creek chubs, a couple smallmouth, and a couple largemouth. A real nice one. What'd you catch?
A couple bluegill, you know, the usual.
Yeah, this is Austin's a forward fisherman. Right? Right. Got so many rocks in my shoes. Oh my gosh, dude. All right, guys. So that's it. We'll see you later. Punch it. Boom.